Have you been facing issues like this and you want it to be resolved like this? Then this is the video for you. This MC011 restriction is very hard to remove, but I do have a way for you to possibly get it removed if you are a dropshipper or a wholesaler. It makes it a lot easier for you to get it unsuspended, to get reinstated. And if this video doesn't work, then the next video is definitely for you, as I'm going to be teaching you full step-by-step how to create an eBay self account. No separate videos, all going to be in one video, so I won't be wasting your time. So I highly recommend you go check that one out, and into the video. So here is the lovely email you would have received. It's not the nicest email to receive when it's just out of the blue. You suddenly get this email, it's horrible, but we've all been there. And make sure your error code when you receive this email is MC011, as this is the error code for this video to get your account reinstated. And please note, this is not 100%. It does depend on what you've been suspended for. But I was personally suspended when I contacted live chat. They did tell me that it was because I had a spike in sales, and also there was a number of claims from buyers wanting to return or whatever it is. So the way you actually fix this is really simple. I'm just going to show you the email I received after I sent all the details I had to, and I'll get into the details you will need to get your account reinstated. But here's the proof the account did actually get reinstated. So as you can see here, your eBay account has been reinstated. Thanks for getting back to us with the information we requested. We've reinstated your account. So now what do you actually need to get your account reinstated? So what you'll need to get is, one, you'll need to get all the tracking numbers. Number two, you'll need to get the all the invoices, and you might be a little bit worried about that because if you're using a site like Banggood, for example, on the invoices it will say Banggood on them. So I'm actually going to teach you how to get rid of that, and then you'll be able to upload them all, and how you're actually going to get all these invoices if you're not using Banggood, for example. And if you are using any of the suppliers in my previous video explaining all the best suppliers you should be using for dropshipping, then you would actually be safe from this, as you'll be able to get all the invoices for it. So let me just explain what you're going to need to do to get these invoices. So what I did is, one of my suppliers is growship.co.uk. I had to, as you see here, this is the screenshot of the live chat, documents such as proof of identity, passport or driving license, and proof of ownership for the items you are selling. So this is a way for them to actually combat dropshippers, but we've got a way to obviously get it back, so it's not even a big deal. All you've really got to do is you've got to come here. As you can see, I asked for it. They said to me, hi, we can send a commercial invoice for your reference. Which month orders do you need? I said for every single order, if that's possible. And then they'll need to take a little time. And then here we are. I've got all of the invoices that were sent to me through here. Obviously, I'm not going to open them because it will show all my customers' addresses. But that is a way there. And if you're using a website, for example, like Banggood, let's just go to one of my orders here. Let's just say this one here. So I'm going to blur the tracking numbers out and stuff like that. But what you'll do is you'll then press print order invoice, and it will show up here. So what you'll then do is you'll open up that invoice, and you'll see it provides the customer's address, the supplier's company information, and then the item as well, and the price and the VAT and everything like that. So what you'll need to do to get this Banggood removed, because obviously as soon as they see that, they'll know you're dropshipping. So the way you'll get this removed is you'll then, if you're on a Mac, you'll download an app called LibreOffice. This is a really great app to use. And if you're on Windows, you can just search up Windows PDF editor, and you'll be able to edit this. So let's just open up LibreOffice now. As you can see, here's a lot of invoices that I've edited for it. But let's just open up a new one here. So we'll open up one of these invoices here. So as you can see here, now we can go and edit this. So what you would then do is you'd obviously press on this and you get that removed. Now that's removed, and then you get this bit here removed as well. And this obviously isn't just for Banggood. Any supplier you're using, you'll be able to get an invoice, but you'll just have to remove all of the actual supplier's information apart from their address at the top there, as obviously they're not going to know that's Banggood, and it all looks legit there. It looks like you've just ordered off your wholesaler, and then you got it shipped to your customer, and it's just an invoice that you've got from your wholesaler. It all looks very legit, and it's a great thing you can do there. And you get all of these invoices. You need to get it for all of your orders, so it does take a while, but it's definitely worth it on getting your account reinstated 100%. And another thing, of course, you'll need to get a picture of your identification, take a picture of that, and then upload that to eBay as well, along with all these invoices and it's a 99% sure you will get reinstated if you've done it all correctly. It worked for me, so it should work for you as well. But if not, don't be worried. I've got another video coming out, how to create stealth accounts legally, so there'll be no worry there. Completely, it'll be no false addresses or anything like that, no false names. It will be legit, and you'll be able to start selling even if you've been suspended indefinitely. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and there'll be loads more videos like this. We'll also be doing some challenges in the future for drop shipping and such things like this. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. I highly appreciate your time here.